Okay, so I wanted to do a quick review on what I think, in my honest, own, genuine opinion, this is the nicest looking New Balance trainer. I've never worn New Balance. I always thought the N was like some knockoff imitation of Nikes. I don't know why. For years when I've been going into the shoe shops, I'm not a massive trainer fanatic. Although, like right now, for instance, I am wearing a pair of, what do you call them? Vapor Max, that's it, that's the one, that's the kiddie. See, that's how much I know about trainers. But basically, this ain't a biased review. I do genuinely think these are the nicest looking New Balance. I went into the shoe store. When I say shoe store, I mean the chain called Shoe, not actually like, you know, just a shoe store. And yeah, basically they didn't have them in a size that I wanted. I am a size 9. They only had a 9 on the shelf, but it was too tight. So I tried on a 10. I really liked them, but the 10 was too big. So I went online to newbalance.com, where they seem to be the only website where you can actually get them in half sizes. So if you are a size 9, I would say go for a 9.5, and if you're a 10, go for a 10.5, because you don't want to get some trainers that don't fit you correctly. I went for the grey. They do many different colours. I went for the grey with the blue. They do a grey on grey, but I like the grey and the blue because I think it matches. It looks good if you're wearing a nice pair of jeans. And you've got the red as well, which also stands out. So if you're, you know, for a bit of colour, bit of added colour, they're so comfortable. Like, I've done a little bit of mileage in these already, and yeah, they're just really comfy. They look trendy, and I paid, I think it was £75 for them. So when you think about it, in the grand scheme of things, how much trainers cost these days, I think I paid £170 for my Vapor Max, and you can't really wear them out with like jeans and that. It's not going to look too stylish. So yeah, I'm not a huge trainer fanatic, but I thought I'd do you a quick review. I personally think these are the bestest looking New Balance, and I actually love the colours of them. I think they're so nice for a pair of trainers. So yeah, that's my quick review, and I'm out.